Good day, everyone. I'm Charlyn Cabanag, UMS 11 from Section Confucius. So today we're going to discuss about future value of general annuity. So what is the future value of a general annuity? So the future value of an annuity is the value of a group of recurring payments at a certain date in the future, assuming a particular rate of return or discount rate. So when finding the future value of a general annuity, we will find first the I or the interest rate per period using this formula. Make sure to take note of that. So when you already find the interest rate per period, we will now proceed how to find the future value of a general annuity using this formula. Take note of this also. So now let's proceed to our first example. Example number 1. Anna started to deposit 5,000 monthly in a fund that pays 10% compounded quarterly. How much will be in the fund after 20 years? So first, we're gonna find the given. So R is equal to 5,000. The time is equal to 20. The R is equal to 0.010%. The M1 is equal to 12. The M2 is equal to 4. And N is equal to 240. Next, we're gonna find the I. So now we're gonna find the I, and this is the formula. So 1 plus R is equal to 0.010 over 4, then 4 over 12 minus 1. And this is the I, 0.0008326. Now let's find the future value. So, and this is the formula for the future value. So R stands for regular payment. So the regular payment is 5,000. 1 plus I 0.008326. The exponent N or 240 minus 1 divided by 0.008326, and this is the answer. So Anna will have 1,327,687.07 after 20 years. Now let's proceed to example number 2. A teacher saves 10,000 pesos every 8 months in a bank that pays 0.30% compounded monthly. How much will be her savings after 20 years? So first, let's find the given. R for 10,000, T for 20, R for 0.0030, M1 for 2, M2 is equal to 12, and N will be 40. So this is the formula for I, and we're gonna solve it like how we did in example number 1. And the result would be 0.0015009. That's the I. Now let's find the future value. Like we did in example number 1, the R would be 10,000. 1 plus the I would be 0.001509. Parentheses, the N would be 40 minus 1 divided by 0.001509, and the answer would be her savings for 20 years, which is 411,932.71. Now we're gonna do our third example or our last example. So Jen started to deposit 3,000 monthly in a fund that pays 8% compounded quarterly. How much will be in the fund after 5 years? So like what we did in the other examples, let's first find the given. So R is equal to 3,000, T is equal to 5, R is equal to 0.08, M1 is equal to 12, M2 is equal to 4, and N would be 60. Now let's find the I. So R is equal to 0.08 divided by 4 plus 1, and then 4 over 12 minus 1, and the I and Ri would be 0.0066227. Now let's find the future value. So the R would be 3,000, the I would be 0.0066227 close parenthesis, the N would be 60 minus 1 divided by 0.0066227, and the answer would be 220,000 pesos, 127.69. And that should be the end. I hope you learned from the topic I discussed. Thank you for watching and bye!